Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or be discussing with you, how to refund or return items on TEMU. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you want to refund or return items inside TEMU, well, this one's quite easy. So, you want to go ahead and just access TEMU.com. So, in this case, just log into your account. At the top right, you should see the orders and account section. Go ahead and hover over it or click on it to see all your orders. Now in here, all your orders should be listed. So what you need to do next is you want to go and look for the return/refund option. So you want to go and click on it. Now it's going to ask you if your order, or if you receive your order, could either answer yes or no. And also you can only make a refund within the same month, or like for example you need to request a refund within 30 days. So if the time has elapsed, you won't be able to request a refund like what you're seeing right now. But what you should be seeing if you're actually eligible here. Now this is what you should be seeing. Now go and answer yes here if you have it, if you receive your package, and answer no if you haven't received your package here. So this one is really important because the refund process is different depending on your answer here. But once you answer either yes or no, like for example you answered yes here, it's going to ask you for the return reason. Now you go and select the reason why you are returning that specific item. And also they may require you to upload some form of proof here of what exactly happened, like a missing or broken part. Just make sure to upload a photo or video and even add some comments here describing what actually happened. Now at the very bottom, you just need to click on the next step option, and typically at the last page here, you should be able to see the option where you want your account or your funds to be refunded, and also confirming a few things. Now typically, depending on your region, TEMU would actually refund your balance or whatever you have right now to your credit or TEMU credit balance. So in this case, that's typically how you get your refunds or your money back inside TEMU. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.